Okay, we're going to move on to step 6, which is resources. So this is a big list. Describe the following resources in detail that will be needed for your program to be successful. Be as thorough as possible. So we're going to start down through. Here we go. I put a public health dental center. So I feel like, yes, you could do sealants in like a classroom or a gymnasium and you can do all that, but I kind of wanted to try to have a dental clinic and make it a lot easier. And I think the Muskingum Valley Health Dental Clinic would be a perfect place for that. Again, it's a public funded or grant funded public health clinic in my area. So I'm hoping we could get them as a community helper with my sealant program. Moving on, more things that we need. Dental chairs, dental handpieces, Cavitron tips, mirrors, explorers, autoclaves, computers, internet access, curing lights, dental units, water lines, suction pumps, iPads, dental softwares to import patient information and medical history, overhead lights, PPE, patient bibs, dental sealant materials, cotton rolls, cheek protectors, checkoff sheets, consent forms, saliva ejectors, toothbrushes, tracking sheets or software, air water tips, referral forms, floss, proper waste areas, prophy paste, pen, paper, and fluoride. So that was like a really big list, but I tried to be as thorough as I possibly could. So obviously we need a lot of stuff for this. Basically anything in a dental office, it probably wouldn't be a bad idea to have because we want this to be a really nice dental sealant program. Moving on, we want dental software because if we do take x-rays, which I feel like we should if we're going to be at the clinic, I would say we do dental software, tablets, internet access, dental x-ray unit, computers, audio, video, in case we do need to speak to a dentist maybe off-site, like telehealth kind of thing. I think that would be really neat. Obviously, we would need dentists, hygienists, and dental assistants. I don't know how many dentists we could get, but we will sure try. I think one would be fine. Volunteers, teachers, principals, and community health workers. Online surveys. Like I said before, we're going to try to do an online survey after the program is over. The school, which is Rolling Hills, a local power plant, a small research grant, and Medicaid. So those were the funding aspects. So number one, I would like to try to get it from the school, my funding. That would be my number one source because like I said, they get a lot of money from that power plant. So we'll see if they can help us. If not, maybe we go straight to the power plant and say, hey, what can you guys do for us? And then if that doesn't work, we'll try the small research grant and like how we have the website, we can search there. And then of course, if any of those students are on Medicaid, can we bill out to Medicaid if we're going to be in this dental clinic? I think that would really make sense. They have the software, they have the ways to bill to Medicaid, so it would all be right there. I think it would be very, very convenient. If we did do a grant, one of the potential grants that I've found, which I'll post a link to within my videos, this one is called the NIDCR Small Research Grants for Oral Health Data Analysis and Statistical Methodology. Development RO3 Clinical Trial Not Allowed, Department of Health and Human Services by the National Institute of Health. So I did find one grant that I think would work. It is a research grant, so you do kind of have to have more expertise in the research category. So we'd have to have more people that understood that. So if we went with the grant section, we'd have to find some more key stakeholders, I guess you could say, to help us with that part of it. So I hope that all makes sense, and I think that might answer step 6 to resources, which is going to be a lot of resources. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.